A new student arrives, her heart brimming with excitement for the adventures awaiting her in the enchanted woods. Curiosity lures her into the shadows where secrets dwell and mysteries await her eager gaze. A chill runs down her spine as she uncovers the dark truth looming over the once vibrant haven of learning and friendship. A trio of friends bands together, their resolve unwavering as they vow to unearth the hidden malevolence threatening their beloved school. The moment of reckoning arrives, dispelling fear with bravery as they face the enigma draining their world of wonder. A misunderstood soul emerges, seeking solace in a realm of misunderstanding, its silent plea for connection echoing through the enchanted air. A bridge of empathy spans the gap, forging bonds of compassion that transcend differences, lighting up the shadowed corners of their shared existence. Harmony restored, kindness reigns supreme as they breathe life into the fading magic, a testament to the power of empathy and togetherness. A jubilant celebration ensues, a tapestry of friendship and acceptance weaving itself anew as the school blossoms once more into a beacon of hope and growth.